Stop coding until you know these terms. I'll explain each of them in 60 seconds. Let's go.
What exactly is computer science? Let's break it down simply. Computer science is the study of computation, information processing, and the design of computer systems, including both hardware and software. For example, developing an AI chatbot involves computer science principles like algorithms, data structures, and machine learning. That's computer science in a nutshell. If you're curious about how computers think, process information, and power modern technology, this is the field behind it all. Kindly click the subscribe button for more interesting content and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the next big computer science terminology. Also, drop any term you want us to discuss in the chat for our next episode. Cheers! Let's talk about one of the most basic concepts in programming, a variable, a named storage location in memory that holds a value which can be changed during program execution. For example, in the code age, mar25 age is a variable that stores the value 25 and can later be updated to a different number. Variables make programs flexible by allowing data to change as the program runs. You'll see them everywhere in coding. Kindly click the subscribe button for more interesting contents and notification bell to keep you updated for the next big computer science terminology. Also, drop on the chat any term you want us to discuss on our next episode. Thank you. Let's quickly revisit an important programming concept, a constant. A constant is a name value that is assigned once during program execution and cannot be changed afterward. For example, in const pi equals 3.14159, pi is a constant representing the mathematical constant that remains fixed throughout the program. Constants help protect important values from being accidentally changed in a program. Kindly click the subscribe button for more interesting content and the notification bell to keep you updated for the next big computer science terminology. Also, drop in the chat any term you want us to discuss in our next episode. Thank you. Let's talk about another important programming concept, a parameter. A parameter is a variable listed in a function's definition that receives values, called arguments, when the function is called. For example, in the function greetName, the word name is a parameter. When we call greet Alice, the parameter name receives the value Alice. If we call greet Bob, it receives Bob instead. Parameters make functions flexible by allowing them to work with different values each time they are used. And that's what a parameter is in programming. Kindly click the subscribe button for more interesting content and the notification bell to keep you updated for the next big computer science terminology. Also, drop in the chat any term you want us to discuss in our next episode. See you on the next one. Thank you.
Welcome back, and thanks for watching. Help us reach 10 subscribers by clicking the subscription button, like, share, and hit the bell button. Thank you.